What's up, you guys? This is Nick Hernandez. I'm in Mr. Rivera's physics class at Full Sail University for the month of August. I'm in the recording arts program, and I'm here to talk to you about Newton's second law of motion, which states the acceleration produced by a net force on an object is directly proportional to the net force, is in the same direction as the net force, and is inversely proportional to the force of the object, to the mass of the object. So what we're going to do for this example to show you is we're going to push some weights. So let's go downstairs and get that started. Alright, to explain what the first part of Newton's second law is, what we're going to do is we're going to have 35-pound weight. I don't know if you can see that, 35 pounds. And so basically I'm going to show you how the amount of mass can change the acceleration from the force. One source of force, 35-pound weight, pretty simple. One source of force, add another 35 pounds, that's 75 pounds total. Kind of difficult, just a little bit though. Alright, remember that. 35 pounds, two sources of force. Ready? This is going to blow your mind. Easy. Easiest thing in the world. Again, 70 pounds total, one source of force. A little difficult, just a little bit. Two sources of force. Here we go. Booyah! And they fall. It's not as difficult, but it's a little easier. So basically, what's going on here is that the force, which is my hand, which is going to cause the change in motion of the weights, since there's more mass in the weight, since they're stacked on each other, it's going to be a lot longer and a lot slower process for me to move these weights with just one hand. But if you double the force, which will be having two hands, push them, really easy, and I almost crushed my finger. So the pain I go through for this class, it's ridiculous. So I mean, that's pretty much it for Newton's second law. It's it's actually a pretty cool thing. I like it. So you've seen me almost crush my finger trying to explain Newton's second law. You've seen me almost crush a hand. Yeah, Newton's second law, it's basically just the amount of force you exert on an object while moving it, you're going to have that same acceleration. And then if you double the mass with keeping the same force, it's not going to be as easy of a process, if that makes sense. And then to inverse the acceleration to the mass, if you have three objects, say you have three of these weights, and you only have one force, it's going to be a third of the acceleration rate as just one weight. So two objects, half the acceleration rate, 3, 1/3, 4, 1/4, etc., etc. Again, I hope you enjoyed this. This is Nick Hernandez, Mr. Rivera's physics class in month of August. I'm sorry, and peace.